got some stuff done without recording because we're dumb.
And cold. Very cold.
Yes. Actually,
it's 13 degrees.
Technically, this is part 5. So this is the beginning of a new video. So hey, welcome back, guys, to another video. We got Jackson from Greenhorn.
Barely.
Yeah, barely.
Yeah, for me, it wasn't uploaded in 2 months.
It's fine. I haven't either. And I have 7 videos waiting.
Car season's coming.
It is.
I still have shit I gotta post, but car season's coming. We'll get back into the swing of things.
Same.
It's been fucking cool.
Yeah. Once I get everything situated, get good editing stuff for the laptop or desktop, I'll be able to do better than just my phone, transfer it over and redo it and everything.
At least you got a fucking garage. I don't.
Yeah.
I have like some ability to keep doing shit. I'm like, it's Tyler's driveway or bust, and I'm like, bust.
But yeah, so we got the whole fascia put in. Or what was it you called it? The cowl?
Yeah. Like
yes, the whole cowl put in.
Fucking the front fascia is like when you can remove the whole front end on a fucking BMW and it all comes off and you're just left with that frame rail ends and shit. This doesn't do that. Or like an old GM truck or...
That's true. Okay, so yeah, the whole cowl's in. We got the hood back on. We let it idle for a while, bubbled some of the coolant out, and it's having that weird idle issue again. But I'm honestly now thinking, on top of the oiling issue that I had, which is now what I think is gone from the rebuild, I think it's honestly my alternator causing an electrical issue, causing it to fucking spark out and do weird things. So I'll get a new alternator soon.
That's not just like a random assumption. He's had problems with it already, so.
Yeah, I've had problems with this alternator for about 1.5 years now, as you guys probably saw from some of my videos with me smacking it with a hammer to get it to start charging again. But
It thinks it's a Subaru after all the shit you put it through. Wow, I'm gonna be so fucking cold.
all right, dude. So yeah, we're calling it quits for tonight. Figured out the steaming issue. The steaming issue was just the header wrap. But yeah, so we're gonna be heading back. I'm heading back inside. I'll get to working on this again in the next couple days. But yeah, so we're on a roll. She's almost ready to start driving again. All I gotta do now is tune her up and get her going. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys when we start finishing the bubbling process and everything else. Well, guys, she's on the road. Got my oil pressure, boost, AFR. She is enjoying life right now. It is so surreal to have this car back. Like, I am just literally so ecstatic to have this thing back. Like, it has been, like, amazing. I am just, like I said, it's so surreal. Like, oh, it sounds so good. It drives so nice. It's doing what it's supposed to. Still burns a little oil, and I believe that might be what was left in the exhaust on top of, you know, the turbo sitting. But it's not like it used to. It is a lot better than it used to be. Like, way, way better. So, it's just, I can't fucking believe it. But, yeah, so I just dropped off Dylan. We had some fun yesterday. We fixed up everything. My uncle came down this morning and we had battened up a couple things. There was a fitting that was actually broken. It was broken from when I got it, apparently, because it was cracked. So we changed that fitting out. I had another one sitting around. And now I'm just breaking her in some. It is just, oh, absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. So, man, people are still out on their snow machines. Like, there's people still out there. But yeah, so like, she's got fucking power now. And this is no boost. I'm not using boost right now. I'm holding her flat. It's just, oh my God. It is beautiful. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys when I get home. And we will just go over everything, make sure everything's still fine, which it should be. because I'm making sure to take real good care of it. But yeah, so catch me get back. We'll go a little overview, make sure everything's all set, and can't believe I actually did it. Fucking fully rebuilt it, a Corolla engine, like turbo, all like braking phase now, everything needed to make this car great. Like this car is already, like I'm not hitting boost and this car is fast. So we'll see what it is when I'm able to actually hit full boost, when I'm able to actually go up to 13 pounds of boost. We'll see how that is, because God almighty, that thing's gonna be sick. But, alright guys, well I'll catch you when I get home. Yee yee!
Part 2, electric boogaloo. Back at it again, kicking over shit.
Jesus. Okay.
A little bit quicker that time.
That happened. I didn't think it would go that fast, and before we pull that out, I am gonna lift up the side because I almost ripped off the front flip.
Yeah. It's fair.
Because the car sits lower, says the fucking shocks are bad.
You're telling me that you have 2 cars with bad suspension?
No.
Possibly 3 with that truck?
No, the truck's fine.
Are you
Actually, no, never mind. I gotta replace the front springs. Never mind.
Yep.
All 3.
So every car you own has bad suspension, and you haven't thought, hey, maybe I should fix that.
I did. But I thought rebuild was more important.
But.
Okay, the Corolla's fine. It's just...
Okay, what about the Subi?
Okay, the Subi I can deal with because I drive it every day.
Yeah, and I have to ride in that motherfucker.
Right there.
Now he's ignoring my questions.
Yes.
I'm gonna pull this out.
Grab the jacks.
So Jacob, why are you lifting the car again?
So I started the car with my O2 sensor unplugged, and every time we do that, it decalibrates it. So now I gotta lift it so I can recalibrate it.
At least we're not lifting it back up for a different reason.
Yeah, nothing broke. It's just I was dumb.
You forgot something.
Nothing broke. I'm just dumb.
It happens. Get this bad Larry back in the air. Are you sure we can't just, put this underneath there and lift it up by the front lip?
Yeah. Lift it by the intercooler?
Yeah. Yeah, the air cooler.
Yeah, let's just do that real quick.
Yeah, go for it. What could possibly go wrong?
$2,000 build at this rate.
I mean, we could probably lift up it by the diffuser in the back.
Yeah, this fucking... Man, this car, I don't know how much fucking money I don't want to know how much money I have in this thing now.
At least 2. At least. Maybe 3.
At least 2 times like 4 digits.
Yeah, but those just could be 0, so it'd be 0.
Yeah.
Math.
It's amazing how a 0 can cause a huge jump in numbers. A number that stands for nothing can add so much to another number.
It could also add so little. If he times it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was here. I just heard liquids.
It might just be from shifting of the engine.
Liquids! Nope, there's liquids coming out.
Yeah, this is it.
got the 62 Tower side. I'm gonna have to find out the name of that driver. All right, in Tower side, we've got the 147, that's Jerry Cloutier in the Mustang. And in the 62, we've got Jacob Forrest. He's in a 2013 Toyota Corolla.